Hi, my name's Simon Gray. I'm from the Food Teachers Centre and I'm in Looe today cooking along the quayside with some fantastic Cornish seafood. Okay, so the dish that I'm going to make is with this fantastic pollock. I'm going to cook up this dish. I'm going to make a curry. Now, is it curry and fish? Well, it's really popular in India, in Kerala particularly. They use a lot of fish in their curries. So we're going to break it down. It's not going to be a really strong curry. I'm going to put in some tikka masala paste there. I've got some chili, just a little bit. I've got some ginger here, some fresh ginger, some garlic, got some onion. And the key to this recipe is some really nice creamy coconut milk. All I've done is half the onion and we're going to get some nice slices. I'd say that'll be enough, about 3/4 of an onion. I've diced the chili and the ginger already, and I'm just going to get my garlic and mince that up a little bit, so I want that nice and fine. There we are. Okay, so I've got my preparation. I'm just going to put the garlic in with the spices there. This one has been skinned, this one hasn't. Okay, it's really easy to skin. You can buy the fish from your fishmonger already skinned, or if you're adventurous enough, you can buy the whole fish. You can fillet it by watching the filleting videos on the Good Seafood Guide. Take our fish there, do a little nick at the bottom. Going to hold our knife at 45 degrees angle, and we're just going to flip and skin our pollock like so. So you can see there's very little flesh left on that skin. As I say, this is quite a robust fish, so I'm going to use it in my curry. I'm going to cut nice chunks like so, almost like goujons. These little bits, okay, don't throw them away, just put them in a bag. You can freeze them, or you can make some fish cakes with them. Just boil them down, you can steam them, make some fish cakes. Don't waste it, it's all usable. So to make the curry, what we're going to do for this curry, I've got some chili, I've got some garlic, and I've got some ginger. I've chopped all up and I'm ready to go with that. You buy the chilies like this from your greengrocer, take the seeds out, just cut it in half, take the seeds out and then dice it up. The fresh ginger here, again, peel it. You can use the spoon to peel out, so you can take a spoon and just scrape the peel off there, so you don't have to cut it with a knife. And the garlic, just peel and chop it really finely. So we're going to pop some oil into this pan. Put that on nice and high, and we're going to start off with our sliced onions. So pop that into our pan. You don't want to get too much colour on this, you just want to sweat them off. I love the smell of onions cooking. It's going to go really well with this pollock. If you're unsure when fish is in season, what you can do, you can always go to the Cornish Good Seafood Guide and have a look at their website. On there, just check that is a recommended fish. It's not in danger, okay? It's plentiful, it's in season, and it's sustainable. They have a whole list there on their website, just helping the environment there, helping the next lot of fish stocks being available to the next generation, really. Okay, so we're going to put some chili. I'm not going to put all that chili in there. Well, you can if you want, if you like it really hot, but it's going to distract away from the taste of that pollock. So I'm going to put in around about a tablespoon of the diced chili. I've got 1 clove of garlic and about a thumb width of the ginger that I've diced up really finely. So I'm just going to get these aromats in that pan, just sealing those off and going like so. Okay, so that's swayed down really nicely now. So I'm going to show you a really nice, quick and easy cheat. Okay, so I got some tikka masala paste here. You can make the paste yourself. Coriander, mustard seeds, garam masala, turmeric, yeah. But to be quite honest, if you want a quick tea time treat, get one of those pots, okay? It's not going to distract away from the flavour of this dish. So we're just sealing that off now. And I've got my base and my curry there. Okay, so that is a traditional base with the onion, the garlic, the chili, the ginger, and the curry paste. So this is where the secret comes. What we're going to do now is we're going to take some coconut milk and we're going to pour that in there, and around about, I would say, 250 mils. Give that a stir. Just reduce that down for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to pop in our pollock. I'm just going to put the lid on here because we're out in the quayside and the wind's blowing there. So turn it up to maximum. I'm just going to reduce that. So that's going to intensify the flavours as well. As I say, you can go down to your fishmonger. You can order this online from most fishmongers in Cornwall, and they will send it next day delivery. So you can get the best. You can get really fresh fish from the harbour side in Cornwall to your door the next day. Okay, so my curry sauce, my masala as they say, has reduced down now a little bit. So I'm going to pop in the nice chunks of pollock. It's not going to take long to cook. I'd say about 3 to 4 minutes. So you need to keep an eye on it. Just going to place that dotted around, and I'm not going to shake it and rattle it. I'm just going to sit it in the sauce there. Okay, so this dish, you can serve it with rice. I'm just going to serve it with some mini naan breads, or you can make flatbread. So 100 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 100 millilitres of fresh yogurt. Mix it all together, smash it out on your board into this type of shape, into a dry pan. It cooks in minutes. So don't go out buying it, make it nice and fresh, save yourself some money. It goes beautifully with this fish. Okay, so I think this is about ready now. I'm just going to test that. Yeah, okay, so that's ready now. So what we're going to do, just serve that up. Okay, so we're just going to serve it with the naan bread on the side like so. A bit of nice fresh coriander, just going to chop that, release those flavours. Just pop that on top. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can have some nice thin slices of chili. There we have our pollock dish. We have a curry made with ginger, garlic, chili, onions, a little bit of tikka paste, and let down with really nice creamy coconut milk, all cooked in around about 8 minutes.